He's a tinker man, he's a tinker man, a servant of the worshippers he.
Hello, I'm Tinker, and welcome to Tinker's Tales, where today I'll be standing just over here so you can see the wonderful array of technology that I've assembled. And I'll be reading Ode to a Nightingale, Part 3 by John Keats. I cannot see what flowers are at my feet, nor what soft incense hangs upon the boughs, but in embalmed darkness guess each sweet, wherewith the seasonable month endows. The grass that thicket and the fruit tree wild, white hawthorn and the pastoral eglantine, fast fading violets covered up in leaves, and mid-May's eldest child, the coming musk rose full of dewy wine, the murmurous haunt of flies on summer eves. Darkling I listen, and for many a time I have been half in love with easeful death, called him soft names in many a mused rhyme, to take into the air my quiet breath. Now more than ever seems too rich to die, to ease upon the midnight with no pain, while thou art pouring forth thy soul abroad in such ecstasy. Still wouldst thou sing, and I have ears in vain, to thy high requiem become a sod. I'm Tinker, and that was Ode to a Nightingale Part 3 by John Keats. And like John Keats, achieve and be proud.
He's a tinker man, a servant of the worshippers he.